guys, it's me, Riley, if you don't already know, and today we're gonna have an informal video. As you can see, I'm not recording with my camera. It's over there, right there. I'm recording with my phone, and I also don't have any makeup on, so that's fun, right? Not really, but I bought a lot of stuff, not too much stuff, but I bought some things and I wanted to show you guys. So the first thing I got wasn't actually the first thing I picked out, was this jacket, and I liked it because it's my favorite color, red. I'm sorry guys, I've betrayed pink. Red is my new favorite color. I still love pink though. Next thing I got is like a denim off the shoulder type thingy. I thought it was very summery, and that's about it. I got this stretchy black shirt. It's like tight, so I thought it'd be good for wearing with like skirts. Very stretchy. It kind of goes off the shoulder, but it's a little bit up here. We're done with rainbow, so it's time to move to Five Below. Okay, so the first thing that I got is a Gudetama poster. I guess I'll unwrap it. I'll hang it on my wall too. I don't even know where I'm gonna put it. I just liked this poster. Okay, so this is just what, oh my god, it's flimsy. I'm probably gonna rip it. I'm denting it. No. How does one open a poster? I'm gonna rip it. You see that one? Well, okay, so here it is. It says seriously I can't. I'll photograph it better when it's on the wall. But as for now, this is what it looks like. Okay, time to move on to the next object. So we have this Squishmallows lion. I named it Liony because my friend gave me a tip. Just, my dog chewed on the ear. It's so sad. Ugh, it's wet. My friend gave me a tip when naming things. Thanks, Graylin. Just take the animal and add a Y at the end, or like an E. So, Liony. Very good name, in my opinion. This is gonna be my new best friend. Sorry, I'm replacing all of you who thought you were my best friend. This is actually my best friend. Next thing! You might be wondering, what is a square? It's a box, because my old boxes, they're purple because my original room theme was gonna be purple. Then I decided I wanted pink, and I think after like 4 years, it's time to replace those. It might actually be 3 years. But yeah, I think these match my bed pretty nicely, so I thought that they were the perfect color. I just bought 6 of these. Even though I kind of need more than that, I have 3 black ones, so it'll all match, sort of. Okay, so I was editing this video and then I realized that I didn't take a picture of these. But yeah, I think they match my bed pretty good. They look pretty nice. Next door! I went to Bath and Body Works, the classic guru store. Okay, so I bought some extremely practical things at Bath & Body Works because you know how I am, extremely practical, and I don't waste my money on things. No, I would never do that. But first, let's cover the things that are actually kind of practical. I mean, all of them are practical, but these, very practical. So, I got 4 candles. They were a buy 2, get 2 free, and each candle was supposed to be $14.50, but we also had a 20% off coupon, code Riley for 20% off. Just kidding. This one is Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, and you guys know how great I am at smelling candles.
Then I got Twisted Peppermint, and it smells like Twisted Peppermint.
So yeah, it does smell like Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin.
Twisted Peppermint.
Hey guys, this is Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, and it smells like
Twisted Peppermint.
Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Thumbs up if you know where that reference is from. I think that video is actually privated now, where I took every single scent and I just described it as the title. Next candle is this one. As you can see, it is wrapped very nicely. This was the first candle I picked out. It's Champagne Toast. Isn't that fancy? I don't know what champagne smells like, but this smells like kind of refreshing and kind of sweet at the same time, and I needed a candle like this for summer because all I have is like winter candles, and all my summer candles, they're like running out because I keep burning candles so much. May or may not be due to the fact that I keep eating like Chinese food in my room and it smells like Chinese food all the time. Okay, next candle. This is pumpkin apple, and I'm probably gonna describe this one like a pumpkin apple, but just gonna smell it anyway. Yeah, it just smells like apples. I don't know how to describe something if it's already the title. Don't get mad that I am describing these poorly. It smells like a pumpkin apple. What else am I supposed to say? Next candle. This is also like more of a summer scent, but I think it will transition well into fall. It's a black cherry merlot. I'm pretty sure that's wine. But it smells like black cherries. Isn't that nice? It's actually a very strong scent, and I think it will do a good job smelling my room up. So I think this will mask the smell of like dumplings. So I think that's a good purchase. But now for the most useful part of my haul. This is in here. And I bought this thing because I think it has very many uses and it's very practical, and I think all of you need to buy something like this because of its usefulness and practicalness. Ta-da. So you just turn it on. Bam! Isn't that so useful and practical? You can do your witch spells in it. Like, okay, I'm not a witch yet, but I do have a Harry Potter wand, so I think that's close enough. Because if you have a Harry Potter wand, you're automatically a witch, right? I'd be a great wizard, but you can just like, give me money. And good skin. I think I'm a witch now. It was originally $40, but with 20% off, it was like $32. So I thought that was an awful price for what it is, but I still got it anyway because I'm a witch. Okay, so I bought like 2 more things, so this is gonna be an additional segment. My hair is wet because I just took a shower, but I wanted to show these things off, so I'm gonna go get them. These items are from Kroger. First thing I got was this lovely lunchbox. It's just square, it has teal on the side, and it has little fruits on it with little messages like, kale yeah, and can't beat it. I don't know what that one's supposed to mean, but okay. Yeah, but I really like this one because of all the cute little faces on it, so I had to get that. Kind of matches my nails, but not really. Oh, this kind of matches. Next item is this keychain. It's kind of like the line I got. It's the same brand. It's a Squishmallow. And this one, I actually don't know what animal it is. I think it's like a whale. But I saw it. It was so cute. It was calling to me, so I needed to get it. Look how its little face. Look at its little face. It's so happy to see you. But yeah, this is the keychain. I'm going to put it on my bag or something because I need to carry this around everywhere. Squish, squish. The next store we went to was the dollar store. This one's kind of stupid, but we went to the dollar store yesterday and I saw this paper. It's just wrapping paper, and I was like, oh my god, that's cute wrapping paper. So then I proceeded to walk around the store with this paper. Like, I did not mean to hit me in the head, but I just realized there's a ceiling fan on. But yeah, I was like, bam! I am a warrior. Hell yeah. I mean, heck yeah, family friendly. Bam! But yeah, that's it for the dollar store. This is all I got there. And that's where like an explosion would come up. Cool kid. Heck yeah, I'm a cool kid. You know I'm a cool kid. You know it. You just got shot like 5 times. How do you feel about that one?